Good morning, dear student. Now, in our grammar, our 20th lesson name is simple past tense. So, what is tense? Tense means time here. And what is the use of the simple past tense here? So, let me see here. The definition is given here. So, the tense that express action that took place in the past is called simple past tense. Once again, the tense that express action that took place in the past is called simple past tense here. It means the work that we have done, the work is over. We have completed our work to show that our work is complete. For that we use simple past tense here. So for that, yesterday, day before yesterday, previously, long ago are such a word that help to show here simple past tense here. So simple past tense is used to show the work is over. The work we have completed here. Now we see the example here that I took a flight yesterday here. I took a flight yesterday here. So it is a talk of the yesterday here. Most probably we use here that showing the time here yesterday here. So take a change into took here by seeing the verb. Whatever the changing occurred, we have to change in a verb here in a tense. For take change into took in a simple past tense here. Then she taught a person yesterday here. So teach change into taught by seeing the taught and by seeing the yesterday we can say that this sentence is in a simple past tense here. Then Rohan did his work yesterday here. Rohan did his work yesterday. So did is helping verb we have to use here in a simple past tense. The helping verb did is used here. So by seeing the did and by yesterday we can show here the sentence is in a simple past tense here. So we use here did as a helping verb to show the simple past tense here. Then they completed their task last night here. Last night. Last word show here that is simple past tense. The sentence is in a simple past tense here. So last night indicate here the sentence is in a past tense as well as completed. Complete change into completed in a simple past tense here. So we have to use the second forms of the verb. Second forms of the verb. It means past forms of the verb. And most probably the verb we can make in a past form by adding d or ed here. E is there, then we have to add d. Then is E is not there, then we have to apply here ed to make here the verb in a past tense here. Rules regulation is given here. Rules regulation that for the positive sentence. First positive sentence we can say that past forms of the verb here. Past forms of the verb. So what we have to remember one thing here. The sentence beginning with subject here. Subject means noun or pronoun. Subject means noun or pronoun. Subject means each and every person, each and living thing and non-living things has the names here. So either living thing or non-living thing is a name or pronoun. Subject means noun or pronoun. Pronoun is like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And the second position is a verb. Second position is a verb here. Then third position object. Then other word. Then full stop we have to put here in each and every sentence here for the positive sentence here. But in a simple past tense, we have to remember, we have to use the verb in a past forms here. The second forms of the verb, that is past forms of the verb. So whatever the changing occurred in a tense, we have to change in a verb here because we cannot make any sentence without verb here. We cannot make any sentence without verb here. Like Virat play well here. So play change into played here. play change into played. So here that indicate here the sentence is in a simple past tense here. Then I saw him yesterday. Yesterday indicate here simple past tense as well as see change into saw in a past forms of the verb in a simple past tense here. Then we gave correct answer here. So give change into gave, we have to use past forms of the verb to frame the positive sentence here. Then that is a negative sentence is given here. That is negative sentence is given. Then what we have to use here? So first of all it is required did not. Did is a helping verb. Then if we put here did, then we have to use the main forms of the root forms of the verb. Then we do not have to use the second forms of the verb or past forms of the verb, because we put in a positive sentence instead of did. That did is there, then we have to use the present forms of the verb here. So we can say that for the negative sentence we have to write the subject, then did not, then verb, then other word, object, then other word, and last full stop we have to keep here. So here Virat did not play well here. So for the simple past tense we have to use did as a helping verb. For making negative sentence we have to use not, and then after we have to write the root forms of the verb, the main present forms of the verb, because we keep here did as a helping verb and we change here past forms of the verb. Both we do not have to change here. Instead of did, we write past forms of the verb in a positive sentence here. Then I did not see him yesterday here. So here we have to use did with all noun and all the pronouns. We have to use did. Then not, then present forms of the verb see him yesterday. Yesterday and did indicate here this sentence is in a simple past tense here. Then we did not give correct answer. We did not give the correct answer. So by did we can say that the sentence is in a simple past tense here. For the interrogative sentence, what we have to use and what is the formula for the interrogative sentence? So here for making the interrogative sentence, we have to write the helping verb initially. So we have to write here did, then subject here, then main forms of the verb, because in interrogative sentence we have to use did as a helping verb, and then after did, then subject, then verb, then object, then other words, and last we have to keep the question mark for making the interrogative sentence. So did Virat not play well? Question mark. And we can also frame negative sentence in interrogative also. We frame negative sentence in interrogative. There will be no change here. We can keep not after subject here. Did I not see him yesterday? Question mark. So for the asking questions, we have to use the interrogative sentence. Then did we not give correct answer? Question mark. That indicate here the sentence is in a simple past tense here, but we have to keep the did initially, then subject, then main forms of the verb, then object, then other words, and full stop here. So shortly we can say that simple past tense. First of all, tense means time. Whatever we do the work, related the times we do our work, but here to show that our work is completed here by us. If we wants to show that our work is over, for that, for seeing this, we use here simple past tense here. Some word that help us to indicate here simple past tense, like yesterday, day before yesterday, long ago, last night, the previous day. Such words are indicated here like simple past tense here. And the did helping verb is help here to frame the sentence negative and make the sentence interrogative in a simple past tense here. So we can say that simple past tense, so the work is over here, and whatever we change here, we have to change in a verb here. We have to change change occurred in a verb for the tense here, right? Okay, thank you.